All right, this is Smart Buy Cards. Haven't really been collecting for very long, but thought I'd get into this. Topps Chrome Update 2025 blaster box. I got 4 of them, and so we'll just get right on into it. And hopefully we have a good time. Alrighty. Box number 1. Boom. It's kind of my... Dude, there's only 4 cards in these. Sheesh. What do we got? Harrison Bader, Mason Flaherty, Nestor Cortez, and James Wood. Boom. Boom shakalaka. I like that. Alright, next pack. What do we got here? We got we got something cool back there. Okay, Nick Kurtz rookie. Sweet. We got an autographed card of Ryan Johnson. Beautiful. Wow. Okay. Pretty slick there. We got some rookies in this pack. Ryan Rollison and Liam Hicks. Very nice. Sleeve all those up. Dude, that rookie auto is sweet. I don't know Ryan Johnson, but kind of out of it. I know I came up from the early 90s with McGuire and Bonds and Griffey, the wax pack era. Okay, we got Chris Ubik, Luke Keeschel, rookie. Oh, it's just like a sepia type card. It's cool. Jake Berger. Alan Roden, rookie. Alright, we'll put the rookies together over here. And that sepia is kind of cool, so I'll put it over here too. Alrighty, cool. I move kind of slow, guys, because this is fun for me, and I'm not very good at opening packs. Or ripping packs, I guess. Yohan Moncada, Nick Abel, Calvin, that's a rookie, and then Calvin Alcantara, rookie. Spencer Torkelson, he's a stud. Alright, so we got boom. Put those over here. Nice. 3 more of these packs for this box. We got some sort of insert. Alright, we got Josh Naylor. Is this a refractor? Yeah. Stephen Kwan refractor. Nice. Nick Kurtz rookie sepia. That's a banger. Dude, that's a banger. Taesong Kim, Fortune 15. Right on. I don't know anything about this dude other than he was on a World Series winning team. Okay, we got a rookie, Drake Baldwin, Nick Enright, rookie. Colton Gordon rookie. And Maverick Handley rookie. Those are all rookies. Alright, so last pack. Dude, that box is a banger, man. That with a Nick Kurtz box right there. Ben Williamson, Jose Iglesias. That's a rookie. JP Sears, a refractor. Yep, that's a refractor. Doesn't even say. Yeah, it does say it. Okay. Alright. We'll keep all the rookies. Alright. Well, that does it for that box. Next box. Man, my knife is way too sharp. I gotta be careful. That's a diving knife. I like to have my little wall in the background. It looks better than my laptop. Aesthetics matters, guys. Okay, so we got 7 packs in one box. Oh, we got a Mike Trout. Okay, Trent Grisham, Jack Dreyer with rookie card, Ahmed Rosario, Sepia refractor. Hold on, it doesn't say refractor on the back, but that's definitely a refractor. Mike Trout, Fortune 15. I'll take it. That's a refractor, right? Sure looks like it to me. But it's an insert, so who knows how they classify that. How sick would it be to get another auto? I don't even care who it is. Mason Miller, Cole Henry rookie, Kumar Rocker rookie, Chase Petty rookie. Right on. Okay, let's see here. Okay, we have David Bednar, Sung Chae Chang rookie, Garrett McDaniels rookie, Sepia. Sweet. Cool. Dude, these cards are so cool looking. Cal Raleigh with the bat flying. That's it, dude. Chandler Simpson rookie. Nick Abel, rookie. And Edgar Quero, rookie. Nice. Dude, that Cal Raleigh is pretty sweet. Justin Steele. Caleb Durbin, rookie. Braxton Ashcroft, refractor rookie. Walker Buehler. Sweet. Two more packs for this box. I'm not sure if I'm going to open up the other two or not. Might do it tomorrow night or something like that. Chase Donder, rookie. Jose Iglesias, Ben Williamson, rookie, and Chad Patrick. Okay. Redfield Devers. Blade Tidwell, rookie. Ooh. Thomas Segis, rookie. I don't know what that's called. Silver Wave Refractor or something like that. Pretty cool. Alright. Should I open? Yeah, we'll open. I have a feeling we're going to get a sick card in this pack. Chase Dollander, rookie. John Rave, rookie. I'm holding cards way up high. Sorry, guys. And Adele Amador, rookie. Austin Riley. Power players. Pretty cool. Fun card. Boom. Here we go. Okay. Clay Holmes. Chase Weagrath. Rookie. AJ Lubau, I guess. Caleb Durbin. Max Kepler, he's a stud. Jake Berger, $2.99. Pretty sweet. It's not very centered though, is it? Maybe it is, I don't know. Drew Evans, Tommy Pham. Max Kepler. Alright. Okay, we got Tim Tala. Pete Crow Armstrong. Dylan Cruz, rookie, and Rhett Lauder, rookie. They're studs. Right on. Rhett Lauder's a stud. And this is Pete Crow Armstrong was what, a 2023 rookie, I think. Gunnar Hoglund, rookie. Max Fried, all-star. Hayden Birdsong, rookie. And Luis Angel Acuna, rookie. Nice. That's a good little pack. Nice little rookie pack. What is this? Alright. Mako Garcia, Matt Svensson, rookie. Carson Cusker, rookie. Robert Hassel, third rookie. And Night Terrors, Kyle Tucker. Dude. I think those are cool, right? That's Kind of a hit, right? Yeah, it's kind of a refractor. The image is kind of dark in the background. Yeah, it's cool. All right. All right. Rookie. All right, last pack for this box. Tyler Rogers, Ryan Johnson rookie. Huh, I only got 3 cards in that pack. Weird. That is really strange. I got gypped a card. Ryan Gusto, Ryan Johnson. Alright. That's really weird. Yeah. Yeah. Well, we'll just might as well knock it out. Do or die. Alright, so we got Caden Dana, rookie. Ryan Fitzgerald, rookie. Brooks Lee, rookie. And Corbin Carroll, power players. Very cool. Alright. I'm not gonna count those as hits though. Maybe we'll get another auto. That'd be pretty sweet. Eric Wagaman, Terso Ornelas, Jose Trevino, and Jonathan Aranda. Okay, so we got a couple of rookies and a refractor there. Okay, so we got Justin Turner, Grant Wolfram, rookie, Ryan McMahon, refractor, and Shane Smith, rookie. Right on. Okay. Carlos Correa, Brad Lord, rookie, Tyler Callahan, rookie refractor, and Willie Abreu. Nice. All right, 3 packs left. Shane Bieber, Will Wilson, rookie, Logan Henderson, rookie, and Connor Thomas, rookie. Okay. 2 left. Alright, so Kyle Stowers, Gage Workman, rookie, Jack Leiter, rookie, refractor, sorry. Oh, Dalton Rushing, Night Terrors, Dalton Rushing, rookie. Pretty cool. I guess that's a hit there. I'll count it as a hit. So we got 2 of those. last pack. All right. Come on, guys. Say a prayer. All right. Ooh, Ellie, De La Cruz, Tyler Callahan, rookie, Brian Wu, refractor, Eugenio Suarez. All right. So there we have it. So I'll go over the hits real quick. There's a few. So these are the two Night Terrors, Dalton Rushing and Kyle Tucker. All right. We have our auto. It's a $2.99 purple. And it's a rookie, Ryan Johnson. We have Nick Kurtz rookie. That's a hit, in my opinion. Jake Wood. And then in this pile, I did have second here. The other Nick Kurtz. Here we go. So that's kind of cool. So let's see if you can see what's the difference here. These are two different photos. That's cool. Rookie debut card. Yeah. All right. Pretty neat. All right. Thanks for watching.